Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, tap on Open. From this screen, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Then tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android Motorola device, over here, and receive next to Send at the bottom of Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. Also on ThinkPhone, choose the best option for you. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window. Now go back to this Motorola smartphone and tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above. This way you will choose all of those files to transfer them later on. To do that, tap on Send next to Selected. You can also just click on some of your files, like that, and tap on Send then. Finally, click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon on ThinkPhone located next to Input key. Then select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up to allow camera access. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, you need to tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers, and then click on Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!